Meaning of Howard's End.
Howard's End.
Howard's End.
Howard's End.
Howard's End. Howard's End is the title of a novel by E. M. Forster, published in 1910. The novel is primarily concerned with the relationship between the wealthy Wilcox family and the intellectual Schlegel sisters. The title refers to the country house owned by the Wilcox family, which becomes a symbol of class difference and social mobility in the novel. Howard's End thus represents the intersection of different social classes and their struggles for understanding and acceptance. Through the characters' interactions and experiences, the novel explores themes of money, social hierarchy, and human connection.